Before the Federal Reserve cuts interest rates, there's a window of opportunity, one that smart investors have taken advantage of again and again. Lower rates mean cheaper borrowing, more innovation, and a massive boost for fast-growing companies, especially in AI. So, today, we're talking about 3 explosive AI-related stocks that could surge once the rate cuts officially begin. Let's get into it. Now, let's talk about why rate cuts matter, and which companies may benefit the most. When the Fed cuts interest rates, borrowing becomes cheaper. Companies, especially tech and AI firms, can expand faster, invest more in research, and grow their customer base. Investors usually rotate money into growth stocks, and historically small to mid-cap tech stocks skyrocket first, because they're more sensitive to lower borrowing costs. And that brings us to our top 3 picks. First up, CoreWeave. The AI cloud powerhouse CoreWeave may not be a household name yet, but inside the AI industry it's considered one of the fastest-growing cloud computing platforms. What makes them unique? They specialize in GPU-accelerated cloud infrastructure, built around NVIDIA GPUs. They're attracting huge demand from AI startups and research labs that need extreme computing power. As AI models get bigger, companies move away from traditional cloud providers, and CoreWeave steps in with high-performance, optimized solutions. As interest rates fall, companies needing cloud power will suddenly find it cheaper to scale, and CoreWeave becomes one of the biggest beneficiaries. Next up is Arista Networks, the silent winner of the AI boom. If you've never heard of Arista Networks, you've definitely used something connected to their technology. Arista builds high-performance Ethernet switches, basically the backbone of modern data centers. Here's why they're perfectly positioned. Big tech companies, such as Meta, Microsoft, and Google, are investing billions in AI data centers. AI training needs lightning-fast networks to move enormous amounts of data. Arista is known for performance, stability, and low latency, everything an AI data center needs. As borrowing gets cheaper and companies expand their data center capacity, Arista benefits quietly but massively. Lastly, risk, volatility, and why smaller stocks move faster. Before you invest in any smaller or fast-growing stock, understand this. Smaller companies move much faster both up and down. Rate cuts can cause huge rallies, but the same stocks can also dip suddenly. Many investors panic sell because they don't understand the company they invested in. That's why knowing the actual products, customers, and market demand is more important than just buying, because someone said, AI stock. CoreWeave and Arista Networks are 2 early-stage winners with real products and real demand. But always remember to do your research and know your risk tolerance. If you found this breakdown helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video.